That's rain right there coming down. See that? Summer rain. On the cloudy summer afternoon, it started raining and the raindrops, the pitter patter of the raindrops, fell in love. We'll probably see another rainbow.
Want a kite?
There's a double rainbow right there. There's a double rainbow. Okay, you see the double rainbow right there? Okay, take it up. When you see a double rainbow, you make a wish. You want to make a wish? Uh-oh, we're going to see some lightning right now. I know it. Oh, wow. You want to make a wish? I want to make a wish.
All right, make a wish.
I wish that Jazzy knew how to behave.
Oh,
see that? Okay, him. More him. Oh, that feels great. It's really something. Him. It's raining out here on Lincoln Park. There's our rainbow.
Come here, I don't want you to fall.